for the comedy, you know?
The comedy?
Yeah, yeah.
Come on, Diva, let's go.
Love scene.
The love scene.
I love the wedding part.
The wedding part.
I love the part where them going to the doghouse, you know?
Yeah, man, when hula gotta walk, walk, walk.
Action. I like the action.
Action. Don't try to hide. What do you think?
The action.
The action.
I like the wedding scene.
The wedding scene. Section number.
I like the action.
See, everybody like the action. I would like to hear somebody else.
The wedding
The
scene.
wedding scene.
Yes, the phone.
My part, the gangster roller, baby.
And you, what do you think?
Your wedding scene.
The wedding scene. Your favorite part.
My favorite part where them shoot you them foot and everybody run out of the restaurant and that we are taking shot.
Oh my God. But you know what? You know one of my part that I love? It's the part that she was the casting director. Oh my gosh. She did a great part. Wait, they taking pictures now. They taking the pictures. Taking pictures. I know. They taking pictures. Squeeze through. Can you get everybody? Look at them, look at them, look at them. You got it? Roller, you got it? Where's my camera? Where's my camera? I'm taking pictures. It's a crazy thing. Wait, I am hosting this. 1 second. Wait. I gotta take these pictures. I gotta take the cast and crew pictures. They're crazy. You know? Hi. Yes, how are you? Yes.
Amen. Right, everything.
What do you
How
think
you
about the
doing?
movie?
The movie's awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
Which one is your part? Your favorite part?
The whole part. I missed the beginning. I missed my scene. But I catch the half of it. But it's all good. It's lovely. Cause I'm gonna get the video and I'm gonna watch it over.
That's what I'm
Made in New York. Made in New York. 160 crew. We in the building. Represent straight out of Belize.
You're looking nice, by the way. You're welcome. You heard that? Made from New York, honey. Made on New York. I want to get those two divas right here, if I could get them. Can y'all come here, please? I want to get y'all. Come.